Hello, today we will guide you through how to use XM Trading app demo account. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the basic process of opening a sample trade inside the demo environment. A demo account is useful because it lets you practice placing orders and getting familiar with the platform layout without using real funds. As we go, pay close attention to where each option appears on the screen, especially the navigation menu and the order panel. To begin, open XM and make sure you are on the main account area of the platform. This is your starting point for accessing tools, market information, and trading features. If your screen looks slightly different, that's normal, since app layouts can vary a little depending on the device or version. What matters is locating the same main sections described here. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Market. This section is where you can browse the instruments available for trading. Think of it as the area where you explore what assets are available, such as metals, currencies, or other products offered in the demo environment. After opening the market section, select a sample symbol. This means choosing the asset you want to practice trading. In the example shown, a symbol is selected to move into the detailed trading view. When choosing a symbol, it helps to remember that every instrument has its own price movement, so this screen is where you begin interacting with that market. Next, look at the top right panel and click either Buy or Sell. This is the point where you choose the direction of your trade. Buy is typically used when you expect the price to rise, while Sell is used when you expect the price to fall. Since this is a demo account, this is a great place to get comfortable with how these actions work before trading live. After selecting Buy or Sell, click on Place Order. This sends your trade setup to the next stage, where the platform prepares it for final review. Take a brief moment here to make sure the order details on the screen match what you intended, especially the direction of the trade. Finally, click Confirm Order. This completes the process and submits your demo trade. Once confirmed, your order should appear in your trading activity or positions area, where you can monitor it and observe how the market affects it in real time. And that's it. You've successfully used the XM Trading app demo account to place a sample order, giving you a simple way to practice and build confidence with the platform.